All right, let's check out this cleaning kit. It's a 21-in-1 cleaning kit. Really quick. It's for screen. You can clean screens, keyboards. Has a spray nozzle. You can clean your headphones. It has like pickers and stuff like that. So you can clean all that stuff. It has 7 brushes. You can clean your tablets, your watches, portable speaker portable vacuum. So it's a vacuum as well. So really quick, that's that. And then it also comes with a USB-C wire and then 2 more attachments that don't fit in here. But if you lift this top, it's magnetic. It has a keyboard, like a keyboard key remover, and then the other one. And then it also has a pin for like restarting like cell phones and taking the SIM cards out and stuff like that. So that's magnetic. That snaps right on. Then if you hit this button, it has a bunch of tools. I'm not going to take them all out, but there's brushes. There's a little pump. Spray bottle. See, things are kind of hard to get out with my fingers, but perfect. Here's some of them. So there's like a picker to pick out like dirt and earwax from headphones. There's a little brush. There's just one of brushes. There's a bunch of brushes. Here's another attachment for that little pump. But yeah, so we'll close that up. And then right here, so let's check this out. So we have that button. Boom, I have that there. On the back, there's nothing. On the front, we have a button. We have a USB-C port. And then we also have, so this is the vacuum part. So if you, let me see. So if you twist this off, you'll see the vacuum part. Here we have these attachments that you can put on here. Then we'll put this back on. All right, so I put that on. So if you hit the button once, that's just one setting. If you hit it again, it's stronger. So let me see. I have a piece of paper here. I don't know if it'll, yeah, so if I'm not gonna do anything, but that'll clean the keyboard. If you take it off, let's see. Strong enough to pick up paper, but that's without the attachments. So if you put the attachments on, hold on, there you go. Yeah, if you put the vacuum on, you can dust your keyboard, things like that. Yeah, so that'll pick up dust from keyboard or anything like that, or little corners and nooks and things like that. And then you have the smaller attachment. But there you go. It's a nice little all-in-one kind of tool.